She burps the baby. The baby cries. She looks at it. She talks to it. The baby cries some more. She picks it up. She holds it. She pats the baby on the back. The baby burps. She puts the baby down. She looks at it. The baby looks at her. It smiles at her.